So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a counter circuit within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to take our counter IC which is with the name CTR. So click on it and we got our IC. Okay, and what is the function of this IC? Whenever it detects a pulse on the up pin, then what will it will generate a counting binary output, that is 0001. Okay, and like this, and this output must be fed to the BCD to 7 segment decoder. So here it is. Okay, so A must be connected with A, B must be connected with B, C must be connected with C, and D must be connected with D. On the right side we can say it is binary to 7 segment driver, and on the left side we can say it is our counting IC. The output of the counting IC must be connected with the input of the BCD to 7 segment driver. Now we will take our 7 segment display. We need to connect A with A, B with B, C with C. Okay. We also need to change the color of this from green to orange. And now we will try to give a positive pulse on the up pin of the counter IC. So like this. So wait, let me drag it out. And we also need to give positive voltage. Okay, like this. Now our circuit has been completed. Now we'll run it out. Now you can see we have this one. Now we are pressing, and why it is so? It is not incrementing because our voltages on the battery are very low, that is 1 volt. So we will try to change it out to 5 volt. Now whenever we will press button, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, 8, 9, A, B, like this. Okay, so in this way we have made our counter. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.